In this video, we're going to have a look at creating automations for our business. Now, this is really essential for any business. If you want, you don't need to create them, but that means you'll need to manually log into the software and see the new people that are coming in. And maybe 1 week you are sick, maybe you've reassigned a new agent to manage your software for you, or you're on holidays, or you're simply just busy for 2 hours dealing with another customer. You don't have time to go and check this stuff out. So what we want to do is we want to go to the left hand side to the automations tab, and we are going to create workflow. Now when we create a workflow, we have a few different options. We can use some of the pre-built workflow recipes that are built in here. So we can see appointment booking that is set up, or appointment booking with a reminder that's set up, appointment booking with a reminder and a survey and a review request. So all of these things can be set up for your business. What I'll do for the minute, and what I actually usually do ourselves, is we usually start from scratch because it gives you a bit more control. The other ones are good for learning and just checking things out. But let's say, let's go customer replied all channels. So this is the general workflow that we would do for any customer. Is we will say customer replied. So we'll see on the right hand side, we're searching for the different triggers that we can do. There are lots of different ones that we can do, whether someone has booked an appointment, where their appointment status has changed, a birthday reminders coming up, they've purchased from us, or they filled in a form, they've called us or emailed, filled in a Facebook form, and so on. There's lots of things here. So what we're looking for is customer replied. Customer replied, and we're not going to add in any filters. If you want, you can add in a filter, for example, reply channel, and let's say it's a chat widget. So if a customer replies to us from the website chat widget or from Facebook Messenger, we want this automation to happen. So for today, we simply want this to happen for everyone. So we're going to say if a customer replies to us for all channels, we are going to add a tag. So we're going to assign a user first. So this means that this person's in charge of this lead coming in. So John McGovern is in charge of this user. We are going to add a tag. Adding tags for customers is really good for many reasons, but we're going to add a new tag here for lead. Just call this one lead. Okay, we could call it new lead, or if it's Facebook Messenger only, then we'd call this Facebook Messenger lead. Or if they fill in a form, we could call it website contact form. Or if it came from a marketing campaign, we could call it marketing campaign X. So we know exactly where they come from. And then a separate thing we can do that we're not going to look at now is we can then email or SMS all of those people. So if we ran a Facebook advertising campaign to offer people a discounted massage, though all of those people can then be emailed because we've got their tag. We email all of the people with that one tag, and they all receive a brand new offer following up with them. So it creates more opportunities with these people. So we're going to assign a new user, add a tag. We are going to create an opportunity, and this opportunity is going to go into our customer acquisition pipeline as a new lead, and the opportunity name is contact. So contact first name. The reason we do this is because we want the software to take over and to say this person's name is John, Joan, Philip, Margaret, whatever it is. New lead. We'll just call it new lead for now. Opportunity source. We don't want to call that anything. If we've got value, it depends on our business. We can add that in, and we'll ignore the rest there. Save action. So we've created an opportunity. Then we want to create a notification. Send internal notification. The internal notification is going to be sent by email. Apologies. So the from name is the person's name that you want it to come from. So this could be your business name, or this could be your personal name. So I like to use personal name, but definitely businesses, as they get bigger, will want to use the company name instead. The user who gets notified about this email, we could send it to everyone, or we can send it to the assigned users or a custom email. So we're going to send this to the assigned user. in this case is John McGovern, which we assigned up the top. The subject is new lead, and again we'll go tag, contact, first name. I'll say hi. So this is an internal notification. So we say hi user. So this is the employee that you have managing the emails. It will say their first name here. So say that's Phil, our employee. Hi Phil. Here is a new lead for you. And we'll keep going back and we'll say first name, last name, even we'll say full name, message, contact, full name, custom values, contact, let's say message, message body, go custom values, contact. We have no custom field set up at the moment. We want to put in their email address, custom values, email, custom values, phone number, phone, call them. What I also like to do for ourselves is I'll say call them or respond to them from login.glassfullmedia.ie. So what happens now is when this employee receives our email saying here's your new lead, give them a call, contact them. They are now provided with the full details of that customer, their email, their phone number, and their name. And they also get the hyperlink to get back into the software quicker. So they go to their email, they see that there's details and they do want to respond. So they'll just click login at Glassfull Media and that will bring them into the software straight away. So they don't have multiple things to click on. We also I also rename all of these email. So internal notification email, just to keep it simple. And we'll say email. So we've got assign user, add a tag, create an opportunity within the software, and email our staff. Then we will also want to send an email. So we're going to say from John McGovern at john@glassfullmedia.ie, contact confirmed, first name, or we don't need to put in a name here at all. So this is going to be the subject. In the customer, the person who filled out the form or messaged us is going to receive an email back saying contact confirmed, first name, so they know it's personalized, and it's going to say hi, contact, first name, thank you for getting in touch. One of our staff members will get back in touch with you within the next 24 hours. Kind regards. So this is a basic format. We'll just leave it like that at the moment. What we could do is say, instead of one of our contact staff are going to get back in touch with you, we could say, can you please fill in the form, the questionnaire, to give us more information about your needs. So what we want to do here is we want to automatically qualify the customer. So this could let us know, is this contact information that are they looking for information on products or services or refunds or customer service, and we can funnel them down that way. We can also we can put in wait times. So another very handy one is wait. We'll say 3 or 4 days. So wait 4 days. And follow up an email. So actually first we'll say if else. So branch condition, customer responded. Contact replied. Say true. So if the customer responded, branch. If the customer responded yes, So we'll say if the customer responded, then if they did respond, they're going to go down this path. If they don't respond, they're going to go down this path. So I'll say wait 4 days and hit save. So what I'll do here is click the 3 dots. At any point, we can duplicate this information. So we're going to say copy action, and I want to copy it down to here, to where they did not respond. So customer sent us a message, we responded to them, and within 4 days, they have not followed up. So we're going to email them back and say, hi, first name, I'm just checking in to see if you have any new information. And depending on the workflow and what you're looking to do here, that is what you're going to look to put into that message. Then if they do respond, then we can just, we don't need to do anything further from them. What we could do is we could actually say, remove from workflow, current workflow. So if they responded to us in those 4 days, then we can remove them from the workflow so they don't receive any other information from us. Up the top right, we hit publish and save. So now this workflow should be live. So if a customer responds to us, it assigns a user as a tag, puts it in an opportunity, emails our staff, emails the customer, waits 4 days, and it says, okay, yes, they did or did not respond. So it's going to say, yes, they did respond. Let's just remove them from the workflow because our staff have taken over with manual work. If they have not responded, we follow up again and say, hey Lee, thank you very much for sending your request in. Sorry, we haven't heard back from you. How can we help? What can we do for you? So these are just emails, but you can also send your SMS text messages, and you have lots of different options in here as well. Hope that helps. That is the first overview video, having a look at creating automations for your business. Thanks, and see you in the next video.